7 ngadto sa 8 ka tawo ang giila na karon sa Cebu City Police Office isip mga persons of interest kon POI sa pagpanulis sa duha ka jewelry store sa Barangay Ermita sa nakalabayng semana. Subay sa padayong investigasyon sa kapulisan, naila ang mga POI pinaagi sa mga digital evidence ug statement sa mga saksi ug informant nga nadawat sa PNP. Kini gikumpirmar sa Acting City Director sa Cebu City Police Office, Police Colonel Antonieto Cañete, base sa ilang assessment.
Yes, we have already identified some of them, majority of them. No? Aside from digital evidence, we have also witnesses that could directly pinpoint the identity of these personalities. All of them participated in the crime scene, of course, and some of them were served as lookout, and we already identified them.
Samtang nagkanayon si CCPO Deputy City Director for Operations ug tigpamaaba sa Special Investigation Task Group, Lieutenant Colonel Maria Teresa Makatangay, nga ila pang gi-verify karon kung posibleng ang mga suspect sagol nga local boys ug dunay mga milangyaw gyud sa Sugbo paghimo sa krimen.
Coming from not just here in Cebu City, but right now we're trying to identify asa gid sila specifically are coming from. Though we have initial information already, but again, we're in the process of validating this information.
Subay niini, gipaabot pasad sa kapulisan ang micro-etching result sa na-recover nga usa sa mga motor sa suspects nga nagsilbi nilang ebidensya.
Yes, we are on the process of tracking the buyers of this, buyers and sellers of this motorcycle, and there were already personalities that had been met by our intel operatives and other law enforcement agencies or the territorial PNP units, and we were able to meet them, and still in the process of looking forward to know the identity of those subsequent sellers.
Dugang ni Makatangay, kamoabot sa 15 million pesos ang nakawat sa mga suspect gikan sa duha ka jewelry store. Apan posible pa kining madugangan human sa inventory. Si Cañete siyang bahin, masaligon sa posibilidad nga ma-recover pa ang mga nakawat nga alahas.
Well, there is still a possibility that had to recover that, no? We exert all our diligent efforts to locate this property and the suspects, ma'am.
Nagkanayon si Cañete ug Makatangay nga gitakda karong semanaha ang pagpasaka og kaso sa mga POI human sa pagpinalisar nila sa tanang dokumento ug ebidensya.
Hopefully if we will be satisfied with the evidence that we will be able to gather this week, hopefully we can file it this week, but we cannot give a definite date yet as we are waiting for other validated information. As we speak, affidavits are being drafted, pieces of evidence are being forwarded to us as we speak, since this is an SITG comprising of different units from the PNP.
Kauban si Eliza May Peñaranda, kini si Angel Cafe Sanyal, alang sa My TV, Cebu.